Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and upload long videos on Snapchat story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular Snapchat. So let's say we go to this, like we go to our profile, and then we go to simply this my story, add to my story option, and now we're trying to add a particular video which is longer than a minute. We can upload up to 60 seconds a minute's video on Snapchat, but if you want to upload more than that, it does not allow. So for that, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead access a particular app on our phone. Can be a CapCut, to modify our particular existing video. We're gonna take out the unnecessary, like we're gonna go to edit and tap on this new project, simply upload a video which is more than a minute, and simply customize it and short it out to up to 1 minute, and we're gonna go back to our Snapchat and simply upload it. Other thing that you can do is when we go back and then we tap on this icon, we will be uploading, and it will simply get this like a 2 or 3 videos. When it's more than at the time we need it, it will run out light, so it will make multiple, like let's say you can see now we have multiple ones. So if you have, what you can do is you can simply cut your videos out and post it. You post one video, again you post another one on your story like afterwards. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.